A single Google tool can cut photo editing time from hours to seconds, and you can turn that into steady income today? Stay for a few minutes and I'll show you exactly how. No fancy equipment, no expensive software, just a phone or laptop, smart prompts, and a little hustle. I'll give you real business models you can start this week using Google Nano. Plus, I'll show real examples, pricing ranges, what to sell, and how to avoid legal traps so you don't get banned or sued. Hi, I'm your host, and if you want simple, practical ways to make money with AI tools, hit like and subscribe. Today, I'm going to show you how to make money using Google Nano, the fastest image AI tool Google has created. So what exactly is Google Nano? It's a powerful on-device version of Google's Gemini AI model. It's built to create and edit images instantly, often even offline. Think of it like having Photoshop-level power that works directly from your phone or browser. Some people call it Nano Banana because of its connection with Gemini's image tools. You can generate photorealistic images, remove or replace backgrounds, edit faces or outfits, and create branded visuals just by typing what you want. Why is this a money-making tool? 3 reasons: speed, quality, and cost. Speed. It can finish editing or generating a full image in seconds. Quality. It uses Google's Gemini tech to maintain realistic lighting, skin tones, and texture. Cost. You don't need a powerful PC or paid software. This means you can offer high-quality services faster and cheaper than others, and that's where your profit begins. Now let's talk about the best ways to make money with Google Nano. I'll give you clear ideas you can start today. First, freelance image editing for influencers and creators. Offer services like background removal, retouching, outfit swaps, or enhancing Instagram photos. Influencers, YouTubers, and small brands are always looking for better visuals. Charge $10 to $30 per image for basic edits, or $50 to $150 for bulk packages. Deliver within 24 hours and you'll beat most competitors. Second, product mockups and e-commerce visuals. Every small seller on Etsy or Amazon needs clean product photos. Use Google Nano to place their products in perfect lighting, remove reflections, or create lifestyle mockups. You can charge $15 to $60 per image. Offer bundle deals like 5 product images for $100. Third, social media content creation. Brands and coaches need content daily: banners, carousel posts, thumbnails, and story covers. Use Nano to create fast, unique visuals. Offer monthly packages like 20 posts for $200 or $30 for $300. Add captions and hashtags as a small upsell to increase profit. Fourth, print on demand and digital art. Create original artwork with prompts, refine them, and upload to Redbubble, Teespring, or Etsy. Each sale can earn you $5, $12 profit. Focus on niche markets: anime-style art, motivational quotes, or local culture shirts. Fifth, stock images and themed image packs. Use Nano to create high-quality, consistent photo sets, like coffee shop lifestyle or minimal office workspace. Sell them as packs on stock image sites or your own site. Each pack can sell from $20 up to $200 depending on exclusivity. Sixth, marketing agencies and ad creatives. Ads need tons of visual variations. You can use Nano to generate and test ad creatives quickly. Charge agencies per campaign, anywhere between $300 and $2,000, depending on their ad budget. Businesses pay more for visuals that help them sell. Seventh, help local businesses. Offer to make posters, menus, flyers, and social media ads for restaurants, salons, or shops in your area. You can show them one free sample and then charge $20 to $150 per design. Many small businesses will happily pay for fast, good-looking results. Now let me walk you through an example workflow so you can actually do this. Imagine you have a product photo, say, a small candle. Step 1. Open Google Nano or Gemini Image Editor. Step 2. Type your prompt. Remove the background and place the candle on a pure white surface with soft shadows. In seconds, you'll get a clean e-commerce-ready photo. Now you want a lifestyle version. Prompt. Show this candle on a cozy coffee table near a book, and a warm light, shallow depth of field. You instantly get a professional Instagram-ready image. Finally, for social media, prompt. Add a bright gradient background, text space for a quote, and soft light reflection. Now you have 3 different marketable visuals made in under 30 minutes. You can deliver all 3 to your client in a Google Drive folder, name it properly, and include a short message like, "Here are your final edits, optimized for Instagram and website use." Add your logo watermark for branding. Where do you find clients? Start small. Fiverr, Upwork, or Instagram DMs. Search hashtags like small business, Etsy shop, or product photography. Message people. Hey, I made a quick sample visual for your brand using Google AI. Want me to create the full set for just Rs XXX? This short, confident pitch converts fast. You can also message local shop owners on WhatsApp Business or Facebook. Always show before and after examples. Visual proof sells more than words. Now, a quick but important warning: ethics and legality. Never use AI to create fake people, deepfakes, or images that could be copyrighted without permission. If you're editing a client's photo, get written consent. And when you deliver images, include a one-line note like, "This image is licensed for commercial use by the client only." It makes you look professional and safe. So, if you learned one thing from this video, remember this: speed and quality win. Use Google Nano to make professional visuals fast, start small, charge fairly, and scale once you have reviews. I'll leave prompt packs and sample pricing sheets linked below. Comment prompt pack if you want them. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to make money using AI tools. And if you earn your first dollar with Google Nano, drop it in the comments. I'll celebrate with you.